Hi everybody, my name's Elijah Riley and I'm here with Platte Basin Time Lapse, and today I'm going to teach you how to cast a spin casting combo. This is also called a closed face reel or a button reel. This is arguably one of the most versatile fishing reels in the industry, and I know I myself grew up learning how to fish with this very reel. So how this works is, first here's our reel, this is our rod. You'll notice that the line that we have is almost clear. It's called monofilament. And what that means is when it's in the water, it makes it harder for the fish to see the line leading down to the bait. And then this right here is our bait. It's a spinning bait, also a buzz bait. It kind of gives the impression of a frog. And when this starts to spin, it just makes it look like the frog is swimming off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reel this up about 6 to 8 inches from the rod tip. We're gonna push this button down with our big, strong thumb muscles. We're gonna bring our arm back, and on the way forward, you let go of that thumb, allowing that bait to drop or fly out there. Okay, so we're gonna reel it back up, and now let's put all the steps together, okay? So we're gonna push this down, we're gonna bring our arm back, and on the way forward, you let go of that button, and it casts right on out there. And then since this is a buzz bait, I'm gonna bring it back. I might do a couple pops, I might just bring it consistently. But yeah, that's how you cast a spin casting combo. Thank you guys for watching.